here with a book we have enjoyed before, and hopefully maybe you have seen it at home as well, but even if you haven't, maybe you've seen some of these fruits and vegetables before. If not, this is a wonderful time to hear about some other things in the world. Things that you can try and see if you can help remember things you've eaten before, but maybe you don't always remember their names. It's all right. So it's called Eating the Alphabet, Fruits and Vegetables from A to Z, or we would say A to Z, by Lois Ehlert. Oh, look at that fun pattern. Different foods. Oh, here's something that is so silly. Does your family ever make really silly plates of food sometimes? I especially do for my son for breakfast. Okay. Apple to zucchini. Come take a look. Start eating your way through this alphabet book. A. Artichoke, apricot, avocado, apple, asparagus, blueberry, Brussels sprouts, bean, beet, broccoli, banana. Look at that frog. Currant, cucumber, corn, celery. Celery sounds a little different. Carrot, cherry, cauliflower, date, endive, eggplant, and is for fig. Miss Keys loves figs. G is for gooseberry. These are gooseberries. And grapefruit and grapes. H is for huckleberries. I is for Indian corn. This actually makes a j sound, but sometimes we do use it in other ways, especially in other parts of the world. So they'll say jalapeno, yarmulke. K is for kumquat and kohlrabi and kiwi fruit. L is for lemon and leek and lettuce and lime. M is for melons and mango. N is for nectarine. A is for okra and orange. Okra doesn't exactly sound like the ah sound, but it is. P is for peach and pineapple and pear and oh, another one of my favorites, persimmon and papaya and plum. Our class actually planted a persimmon tree at our school on the school property in the garden. Is for parsnip and potato and pea and pepper and pumpkin. That's a lot of wow. That sound is quince. R is raspberry. Ooh, another one of Miss Key's favorites. And radish and rhubarb and radicchio. There's a pie. It's a pie called strawberry rhubarb pie. It's a good one. All right. There's for Swiss chard and spinach and star fruit and strawberries. T is for tangerine, tomato, and turnip. My goodness, it got dark and it's raining all of a sudden. Ah, it's for ugly fruit. Is for vegetable marrow. Ooh. Is for watermelon and watercress. Watercress. It's for zigua, I think. It's a kind of watermelon. And yi is for yam, and z is for zucchini. Okay, good. And then it has a whole bunch of information on the back page about all the different kinds of fruits and veggies in this book, which is pretty cool.